Okay guys, today I went to Five Below and I got dumplings. My brother already opened it and he got the blue one. Okay, so first I got this one and then two more, so I got three. The limit was three and my brother got one and I got three. The first time I opened this one. Okay, so we got the first layer, now we're time for the second layer. It's actually so hard to get these open.
Yeah, so
and it's
hard.
real.
Yeah.
So my brother got one. I'll take this and also has RMS. And it says crazy fun song. Let's see which one I get. I hope I get the glitter, so I'm gonna close my eyes and open it. And if I get the glitter, you cannot say anything, okay? You guys get the first look, because yeah, that's why I said in the last video, you guys always get the first look. You have to close your eyes. Come right here. Ready?
Close my eyes?
Ready?
Yeah.
Set. Don't open them.
Oh!
Mom! I got the glitter! Oh my gosh! That was first try! That's the...
Oh, the glitter's on the inside.
Oh! No! Oh my gosh! First try! Now the second one. I literally screamed. Can you get this open? What if there's like two glitters in here?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna open it now. I don't want the video to get too long, so I'm just gonna open it. Okay, remember, close your eyes first.
Yeah.
Ready? Come right here. I'm gonna stop. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
You have to close your eyes, okay? Aw, that's cute.
It's cute.
That's cute. I wanted the pink. I'm happy. I wanted the pink.
What? See
The
that?
pink is super cute. I know. The pink is super cute. Now we're going to see what the second one is. I love the pink. One. I don't know what to look like, so I hope it's like. I want the blue one.
Like me?
I don't care which one I get. I
Like
love them
me?
all.
Like me?
Yeah. I don't care which one I get. I love them all. I literally love them all. They're all so cute.
Yeah, also cute. Close your eyes.
I'm actually so scared. Come on, ready? Is your eyes closed?
Yeah.
Yellow!
Ew.
That's cute.
Yeah.
It's like UV, kind of. I love this. I got the pink one, the yellow one, and the glitter one. And my brother got the blue one. So, bye, guys. I'm so happy I got the glitter one.
I'm going with you, guys.